If a recipe requires 1 cup of butter and I have to make the double of the quantity, I will use 2 cups of butter. If I have to make triple the quantity, I will use 3 cups of butter. And this concept is known as the concept of proportion. Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Math, and in this video we will understand the concept of proportion. A proportion tells us that two ratios are equal. Let's understand this by examples. 2:3 is equal to 4:6. Here 2 to 3 and 4 to 6 are equivalent ratios. Hence these ratios are in proportion. Since these ratios are equal, this is also known as proportion, and a proportion is represented by a double colon. So I can write 2:3 is proportionate to 4:6. Another example, 3 to 5 and 6 to 10. Now 3 to 5, if I multiply both 3 and 5 by 2, I'll get a 6 to 10. Therefore, these two ratios are equivalent ratios and hence they make a proportion. I can very well write that 3 to 5 is proportionate to 6:10. If a recipe requires 2 cups of flour and 3 cups of milk, then doubling the same recipe will need 4 cups of flour and 6 cups of milk. Hence, the proportion remains the same. Therefore, a proportion is an equation that represents two equal ratios, and two equal ratios are represented by this proportion symbol. I hope your understanding about proportion is clear by today's video. Happy learning. Wish you the best.